Hey my loves, welcome back for another video. Today I'll be working with Geniuswigs and they sent over this gorgeous wig here. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley. Nice to meet you. This is the construction of the cap. She's 13 by 6, deep parting. This is their Rihanna wig actually, and I think she's going to be super gorgeous once we get her all slayed. So this is the wig I had on before in that high bun. As you guys can see, it looks pretty funny when you take a wig off. This wig came with your wig caps. They gave you some eyelashes and they also gave you some of those little flexi rods. And this is what she looks like on. Definitely going to need some work transforming her into this gorgeous Rihanna look that they pretty much advertise her as, but as you guys can see, it's pre-plucked, super nice. I believe this is single knot construction. They give you kind of like the illusion of scalp. Super duper gorgeous, and I'm super pleased with the way it looks. 180% density. Can you see how well this one is pre-plucked? I mean, literally you don't have to do any work, and even the lace blends in with my skin tone super perfect. If I did not mention, this one is 10 inches in length, 180% density, and of course it's HD lace. So a lot of people want to know the difference between HD lace and like your transparent lace. Transparent lace is definitely not brown girl friendly. When you put it on at this step, it pretty much will look white, whereas HD lace looks brown and pretty much the complexion of my skin tone. So now that we've cut off all of the excess lace, we're going to be going ahead and adhering the wig down to our hairline. I have a large forehead, so I do go a little bit ways above or in front of my hairline because I am not interested in making my hairline disappear with glue or anything like that. So today we use the Got To Be Glue gel. I kind of want to switch it up. You guys know the spray version of this is my favorite. It leaves less mess. It's a lot less cakey. As you guys can see, it applies super simple and easy. Whereas when you put the gel, you kind of have to remove it from the lace because it'll kind of give you that buildup a little bit quicker. But I'm going to go ahead and apply both pretty much to give me a super secure application. I let that get a little bit tacky, maybe about 30 seconds or so, and then I apply the lace directly on top of that gel spray combo. And pretty much I'll just use my fingers to press it in until it pretty much sticks, and then I'll give it time to dry, because if you try to like move it, it'll still be wet, if that makes any sense. Like when you put on lashes, once you stick them down, you kind of still have to let them dry before you go ahead and put on mascara and stuff, because they still will move until they're completely dry. Hopefully that makes sense. You can also use a blow dryer on a cool setting, and this will help it to melt down even better. You'll get a stronger hold on your hairline, and it'll go a lot faster, if that makes sense. So you guys can see pretty much this looks amazing. You literally have to pre-pluck or pluck nothing because it is pre-plucked for the gods, and then you get 6 inches of parting, which is my favorite when it comes to these types of wigs, because 6 inches, I kind of feel like it just looks so much more natural when the wig goes back a little bit further as far as the parting goes. Now because this one is so short, I kind of wanted to do like half up, half down, so I'm going to show you what that looks like as far as like a bun on top, a ponytail on top, and then we're going to go ahead and end the video with it being down. So enjoy the show, and I'll be back in just a moment. Also, be sure you're checking the description bar. There you'll find my social media accounts. You'll find a direct link to this wig. You'll find coupon codes, and you'll also find a list with links to everything I used in the video, pretty much so that you can purchase everything and follow along to the tutorial. Okay, so I love the way this looks with the bun, but I wish the bun was a little bit fuller, so I'm going to use a little bit of finesse. I'm just going to take in, pretty much scrunched the hair around while it's down and kind of just basically finesse it into a larger poof. And as I like twist it around the base, you pretty much will form a bun on its own, and you can use bobby pins to secure that, but that'll kind of make the bun look a little bit bigger if you're interested. But now that we're done with the bun, we're going to go ahead and do pretty much a side part, deep side part for that matter. And this is a Rihanna look, as I mentioned before. This is the packaging that the wig came in. They included your elastic, they included your wig caps, they also included this here. This is like a solution to, I believe, mend lace. I didn't try it out, but it reminds you of a mascara, except the product is, I believe, it's clear. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to use my coupon code and shop this wig, as well as the links in the description bar. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!